Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Infinity Stone at number 3, the Reality Stone, which is red. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of tone it down just a little bit, but at the same time it's not going to be toned down. It's going to be like out there. I think I want to do just like a red smoky eye, but with red glitter. And so we'll just experiment and see where this video takes us. Before we get started, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. That way you won't be missing any kind of uploaded content, because I am going to be producing some more videos later in the month. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Ready, so for our first shade, we're gonna dip into the Morphe 39A. We're gonna go right in the crease. Our eyes are already primed with our Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Next, we're going to go into the shade Jamada from our Juvia's Place, the Warrior 2 palette, and put that right above this shade. I don't know if I like that. Just a little bit on the other side, just to make it even. Now we'll go into the shade You're Kidding from the James Charles palette. Let's see, blend that out a little bit more. And we're gonna deepen the crease with that shade Jamada. I think that's where I went wrong first time, so this is gonna be used as a shade deepener. Actually, I think for this look I want to do just a simple, not simple, but like a red cut crease. Because all the other looks I've been doing recently have been like super extravagant. And I just want to do like an all red cut crease, and there's nothing wrong with that. And you can't stop me, so we're gonna do it. Cool. So we're gonna put some of our eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay onto a brush, and we're just gonna cut our crease. And it's okay if it gets a little messy because
that's rude.
Why do they stomp? I need answers. I need answers. Like legit. They need to stop stomping. Okay, so as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, we're gonna just put this primer on our lid, and it doesn't matter if it blends or changes colors or whatever, because we're just gonna put red on top of it anyways, and that's okay. Go back into the Juvia's Place Jamada shade and just make sure that line is blended in, so no harsh lines here. And the 39A Passion shade to that, and just lightly dust that over kind of the middle portion of your eye, outer to middle. I don't know what part this is. Looks like a hot mess now, but it will not look like a hot mess when we're done. And back into our You're Kidding shade from the James Charles palette, and just pat that on to the lid. Just make a wing with the glitter and mix 3 different glitters together. So this NYX red glitter in the shade red, because it's red. NYX metallic glitter in the shade Lumilight, and also this silver glitter that I got from, it's called Silver Lining. I got this from Sally's Beauty Supply. And so I'm gonna go ahead and with my NYX glitter primer just create a line on the cut crease and a wing. So let's start with the wing. Let's dip into our glitter mixture and just press that into the glitter glue, and try not to get it in your eyeballs, please. Alrighty, so now that we have our face and our mascara done, I really hate when you can see like glitter particles in your eyelashes when you're like doing your makeup. It bothers me. I love glitter, but that, no. So now we're gonna do the lower lash line, and we are going to go into the shade. Ready? Let's go into that shade Passion and just pack that on underneath our lash line. Ready? And back into the James Charles palette. Pick up the shade You're Kidding. Smoke that out. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add some lashes and some bottom mascara. And I'm gonna go into the Ardell Wispy 601 lashes. Lashes are on, and I think I'm actually gonna do a lipstick for this look because the last, like, I don't know how many videos I've just been using Kylie's lip gloss, and I want to do some lipstick. So let's see what we have. Okay, so I went in with the NYX Professional Makeup. I can't even read this anymore. Pretty sure this is the Downtown Beauty lip liner, the liquid suede Downtown Beauty. It's not liquid suede, it's just suede because it's not a liquid. So the suede Downtown Beauty lip liner in the ColourPop Ariel lipstick, which happens to be my favorite Disney princess of all time. I don't care. And I really want to do a lip gloss, but at the same time, I don't want to, I don't know, I like how nude this is. I kind of want to keep it this way, but at the same time, I want to go in with this lip topper. I feel like that would be too much. Okay, I added just a little bit. Alrighty, and that would be it for our finished Reality Stone look. I hope I said Reality Stone at the beginning of the video, because if I didn't, I'm gonna feel really dumb. Also very tired. But yeah, it is a half cut crease and it is glittery as heck, and we like it and you like it, so you should like the video and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Yeah, well, that's it, and be sure to tune in for the next stone because we're gonna keep going until we run out of stones. So you should just watch. Just watch. That's all you gotta do. Like, subscribe, comment, share. See you in the next video. Bye.